Welcome in, everyone. I thought today it would be helpful to take a look at two very similar colors in order to learn the difference between a warm color and a cool color. Let's take these two, and they are very similar in their look. If you can see down into the jars, one is actually a little bit more red, this one, and this one over here has a more golden tone. It's actually a gray gold. So these two colors at first glance might not look that different, but let's see what happens when we put them in a jar. This one here is the sienna, and now I'm going to mix up this color, the one that had a little more red. I'll just put a dollop into the jar like that. And just take a look at the different colors now. I'm going to add a little bit of water. So we have red brown here and the sienna brown here. Let's take a look on a piece of paper. Got a brush right here. And let's dip right into the red brown. Okay, now we're going to go into that sienna color. And there you can really see the difference between those two colors. It's very strong when we see it on a white background as compared to when we see it in these jars. Here's the background, and here's the jars. Which one of these is the cool one, and which one is the warm one? In order to understand the difference between warm and cool colors, we have to break it down and see what they're actually made of. And I think I've figured out the red-brown here. It's a little bit of a convoluted journey, but stay with me. The first thing is I'm going to use the vermilion red, okay? And to that, I'm going to add some ultramarine blue. Maybe not quite that much, but just like that. Now that's made a violet. And now I want to add some gold yellow. And strangely enough, we're going to go to a green. That's part one. Now, the second part is I'm going to take carmine red over here and add to that indigo blue. And what's going to happen is I'm going to get that. This mixture, which was the vermilion and the ultramarine blue and the gold, plus this mixture, which is the carmine red and the indigo blue, together make red-brown. Now, if I were to take that red-brown mixture and add quite a bit of gold, and I'm going to add that right in here to my sienna, and there you go. So you see that that second mixture doesn't have any additional blues in it. It's much warmer than this side, which had quite a bit, almost half as much as ultramarine blue and vermilion. If you want to understand what the difference between a warm color and a cool color is, and they seem sort of similar to begin with, then just break it down to what creates the mixture of the cool color and the warm color, and in one or the other you're going to see a preponderance toward that side. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, please subscribe to my channel and my Patreon.